Meaning of interconnection.
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 Interconnection. Interconnection refers to the connection of different networks, systems, or devices to allow them to communicate and share information with each other. It is the process of linking together disparate elements, which otherwise might remain isolated from one another, into a coherent whole that can function as a single, integrated system. Interconnection is essential in today's interconnected world, where different devices, systems, and networks need to work together seamlessly to deliver an optimal user experience. Whether it is the internet, a mobile network, or a complex data center, interconnection plays a critical role in making these systems work efficiently and effectively.